My presentation is on educational technology and what are the issues and trends. This is a part of Assignment A3, Emerging Technology Presentation. The process of globalization is supported by technology, and so does education nowadays. So in order for schools in the United States and in other countries to be competitive and to be at the same level of performance than other schools around the world, they need to constantly update their technology and teach students how to use it properly. Basically, schools need to teach how to use technology as a tool to communicate, to work efficiently, to collaborate with others, and to gather information around the world rather than a tool to play and waste time. As a teacher, whether student or adult learner, you are expected to do the following: convey instructional materials to students in a way that they understand, chime into the needs of students in order to reach them, collaborate with parents and outside interests in order to balance students' interests in what is happening in the classroom. Economies, cultures, governments, and societies of different nations through a global network of trade and communication, aided by technology. It is safe to say that technology is an innovative way to help make things simpler and to help individuals to understand and do. These technologies are closely related to computers and digital tools and are called Web 2.0 tools. In terms, this means that the internet has evolved in a way that the teachers and students are able to take advantage of the rich resources available. Since 2012, according to the Department of Energy, the floodgates began to open with integrating technology tools in the classroom. For an example, in the school district in the public school sector in the state of Louisiana, they have at least placed electronic devices in buildings and classrooms, such as computers, teacher workstations for employees, smart boards in the classroom, and some Chromebooks. In some schools, each student is assigned a Chromebook. Also, departments have incorporated learning management systems to collaborate with schools and work efficiently. The five connections between globalization and education are classified as trends, issues, or challenges. Most influence trend, teaching and assessing for higher order thinking skills. Number two, some influence can be an issue. Too much emphasis is in assessments and standards. Too much is placed on that. Some influence, challenge, reform to educational system. Another some influence trend, online classes as a learning resource. And the least influence, which can be an issue, is access to technology. In the past, teachers and schools have used technology sparingly rather than as an essential component of teaching. More or less, they use it for office communications and document organizations and collaboration. According to one study, education was the least technological intensive part of the United States economic system. Now, more and more teachers are beginning to use smartphones and social media in their educational practices. This is because teachers are recognizing that students come to life when interacting with each other while utilizing these tools, and it takes away the bored and blackface while learning. To further discuss educational technology issues, technology is used by teachers vary greatly. They mostly use the computer for email, word processing, recording, and data management, but not so much integrating that technology into the classroom or into instructional needs for the students. Since technology is taking so long to integrate into the classroom, some people have concluded that computers and other devices won't produce substantive changes in how teaching and learning takes place in the K through 12 environment. Some parents want their children to spend less time using a computer. Yes, children 9 to 17 reported wanting to read books on digital devices. One third, including frequent and infrequent readers, say they would read more if they had access to ebooks.